Hello guys, welcome back to Range Academy. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the shadow linking in Blender. Shadow linking is generally used to make certain objects which generally cast shadows. We make them not to cast shadows anymore. So this gives an extra layer of control in doing the lighting, which generally gives you that artistic control over the final output. It is not physically correct, but this is how CG lighting is done. So for that, we need a light and the objects which are generally casting the shadow. So I've placed a point light on the top, which is casting shadows here. So select the point light and then go to the object properties here. And then you should be able to see here in the shading section, shadow linking. So just click this button here called new. And this brings up this box where we can add the objects. So let's say I will bring this particular clock into this one, and then you should be able to see shadow linking is done between the light and the object. So the shadow is right now casted by the object. All other objects are not casting shadow anymore, but you can select those objects and then drop it here, and those objects also start casting the shadows as you keep adding the list into this or keep adding the objects into this particular list. So this is quite simple and yet important thing. So if you got any questions on this, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel.